starting unboxing. It's the Cub Cadet. Can you see this in the video? It's a ZT1 42, which is the 42 inch. It's one of the smaller ones, but it had the highest rating, and it's all we need because we just have 2 acres, so we don't need the big one. Back up so you can see it. Doing the big unboxing. De-plasticking. Ooh. Love new tires with the knobbies. Can always tell how much it's been used. Whatever vehicle, if it has rubber tires, if the little knobbies are still on there, or little, whatever you want to call them, if they're still there, then it has not been used or driven. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay, so you get the get the shield, obviously you want shield to going over. Oh, 1 key. Usually they give you 2. This one gets 1, so that's kind of sucks. But is there a metal in the lock? Can't tell. So we'll put this aside, put them on that. Then I betcha this one's gonna be. No, this is just the cover on the seat. Here it is. The bag full of hopefully instructions and some nuts and bolts. And it's a Ziploc bag. Feels like it's a Ziploc. Oh, yes it is there. Alrighty. Owner's manual, don't need that. This is parts. No. Oh, this is a manual on the Kohler engine. Yep, don't need that. It's a joke. And another Kohler owner's manual, don't need that. And Cub Cadet parts and warranty. Now I'll need this because I'm not going to bother with these. No, I'm joking. Okay, so there's the books. Then we get, that would be the trailer hitch and the seat screws for putting the seat on. And this one is, it looks like a garden hose connection, but I'm sure there's something for this. Maybe it's for the oil drain or something, but I'll have to look at the instructions. So I will pause here while I read the instructions about initial setup that it needs to do, so you don't have to sit and watch me read a book.